Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to both unlink and link your Apple account to Binance. If you've used Sign In with Apple before but want to disconnect it, or if you want to set it up for the first time, this video will guide you through both processes. Let's dive in. To unlink your Apple account from Binance, start by opening the Binance application on your device. Once you're in, click on the app icon at the top left corner. After that, wait for the app to load and click on your name at the top right. In the menu that appears, tap on Security, then scroll down to the Account Connections section. When you click on it, you'll see that Sign In with Apple is connected. To disconnect it, simply click on Disconnect. A prompt will appear asking you to enter your account password. Once you've entered your password, your Apple account will be unlinked from Binance. From now on, you'll need to sign in using your Google account or email address and password. Sign in with Apple will no longer be an option. Now, if you want to link your Apple account to Binance, the process is just as simple. Open the Binance app again. Click on the app icon at the top left corner, and then tap on your name at the top right. Go to Security and scroll down to the Account Connections section. You'll see the option to Sign In with Apple. Tap Connect next to it, and the app will load for a few seconds. It will then prompt you to click on Continue. You'll need to verify your identity by using Face ID or entering your Apple account password. Once you complete this verification, your Apple account will be successfully linked to your Binance account. After that, if you ever get logged out, you can simply sign in again using Sign In with Apple. And that's it. Whether you're unlinking or linking your Apple account to Binance, it's a quick and easy process. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.